Hey guys! I found some cool bugs in my garden. Inchworms. The green inchworm is the caterpillar stage of a winter moth. There are 1 inch long, which is about the same length as 2 marbles. The best way to identify a winter moth caterpillar is to see how many legs it has in the back end. There's only 2 pairs of legs in the back. Then is the winter moth caterpillar. Those little guys like to munch on leaves, sometimes before they fully emerge from the bud. Be careful if you have many of these in your garden and trying to grow new plants. Black Carpenter Ants. Black Carpenter ants build their nest in places like trees, logs, or fence posts. They live in colonies that can contain 2,000 worker ants. Black Carpenter ants can get as long as 1 marble in length, which is ½ inch. They like anything that is sweet, so don't leave ice cream, cake, or maple syrup in your backyard. Millipedes. These mostly legworms are natural recyclers. They feed on dead plants and animals. Some millipedes can grow as long as 15 inches, but the ones seen in the video are about 1 inch long, which is the same as 2 marbles. Earthworms. Earthworms live underground or under big rocks. Their skin releases special lubricating fluid which helps them move around. They do not breathe with their mouth, but through their skin. Earthworms eat mostly fallen leaves, also enjoy munching on decaying roots and bacteria. Green stink bugs. This little acrobat is a green stink bug nymph. Baby bugs are called nymphs. Adult green stink bugs are actually green. When these bugs get scared, they release a substance with a strong stinky smell. Stink bugs like to live in orchards, gardens, and crop fields, where they're able to find food like tomatoes, peas, corn, or eggplants. Green stink bugs can grow up to the same length as an American penny. Ground beetles. Ground beetles like to hide on the ground, under rocks, wood, and leaves. Ground beetles are more active at night and rest during the day. They eat plants and other small insects. There are different sizes for ground beetles, but the one I found is the same size as a Japanese beetle. All webworm caterpillars live in groups in homes made out of web. Those web homes keep them safe and comfortable. Webworm caterpillars feed on tree leaves and defend themselves with their irritating hairs. Japanese beetles. Those funny-looking beetles are originally from the country Japan. They have shiny green heads and brown wings. They measure half an inch long, which is the same length as one marble. Japanese beetles have a big appetite and are not picky with their food. They eat flowers and leaves of many different plants and trees. If there's too many Japanese beetles in your garden and you are trying to grow flowers or vegetables, you may have a big problem. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers live in sunny but moist locations. You can find them in the crop fields, on the side of a road, and in your garden like we did. Grasshoppers will feed on fresh leaves. This one here is eating maple leaf. Grasshoppers can jump as far as 3 feet. That is like 20 times their own length. Did you know grasshoppers have their ears on their bellies? Yes, it's true. This is how they listen to each other's songs. Spider crickets. Spider crickets can grow as big as 2 inches long. This is like 2 bottle caps long. The one you see here is a little smaller. Spider crickets don't have wings and they don't chirp. They like to live in cool, damp places. You can find them under rocks, rotten wood, or damp leaves. They are nocturnal, which means they are awake during the night and resting during the day. Spider crickets can feed on anything they can chew. It can be wood, cardboard, or carpet if they manage to get inside someone's house. Snowy tree crickets. This pale green cricket is also called the thermometer cricket. This cricket chirps at different speeds depending on how hot it is outside. Snowy tree crickets live in shrubs, vines, or in the trees. This one fell out of a tree. These crickets feed on fruit and tree leaves. Ladybugs. This type of ladybug is very helpful in protecting the plants because it eats all the tiny pests that destroy the plant. Ladybugs are about the same size as one green pea. A ladybug protects itself by releasing a smelly orange liquid from its legs. The American Carrion Beetle. Carrion beetles live in moist habitats. I found this one under a rock. They also like to hide under rotten wet leaves. This beetle feeds on rotten food, so if you have a compost bin, you may even find them there. Carrion beetles defend themselves by hiding, which is what this one is trying to do.